This video will teach you how to secure and encrypt the Landro videos file folder in Windows XP. This video is the third in a series of 3 on XP teaching you how to set up Landro. For this video we're going to be using a third-party program called MyLockbox. MyLockbox actually allows you to hide and encrypt folders, and we'll be doing that with the Landro videos folder. What that means is all the stuff within the Landro videos folder will not be seeable unless you actually enter a password and open up the folder first. Okay, so we'll start off by going to the Richmont website. Once you're at the Richmont website, go to Current Students. And then you're going to click on the CAM Student Portal. For this demonstration, I'm going in through the faculty portal. And please make sure and select the correct term. Accept, and then scroll down on the left hand side. You'll see My Courses. Click on My Courses. You'll see all the courses that you're signed up for this semester. Please look for the one that says Landro Help or Landro Help for Internship, whichever one applies to you, and go into that course. Once you're in My Courses, click on Course Hyperlinks. And then in the course hyperlinks you'll see one labeled MyLockbox. If you'll just click on the blue link here, just left click, and it will start the download. This is just a security warning, ask you if you want to actually download this. Click Save. I always suggest saving to the desktop, so make sure you click this icon, left click it, and it'll save it to the desktop. Once you've clicked the icon, click Save. Okay, I'm just going to log out and close out of the web page, and then I'm going to run MyLockbox. Click Run at the security warning, and then you're ready to go into the setup. So start off by clicking Next. Click up here to I accept the license agreement, and then click Next. This is just showing you where it's going to install MyLockbox to. Click Next. Next again, and then Install. Okay, once it installs, you'll see down here a little safe icon that shows up on your desktop. We'll come back to that a little bit later. For now, we ask that you enter a semi-secure password. That means a password that's not easily guessable by those who know you, like one that you don't use for everything, and don't pick something like Landro that's pretty easy to guess. You can choose to enter in a password hint, but realize if you do put a hint in, everyone who tries to enter MyLockbox will be able to see that hint as they're attempting to enter in the password. Okay, once you've entered your password, just click Next. Now this is asking you which folder you actually want to secure. The easiest way to do this is to come over here to the Landro videos file folder that's on your desktop. Right click and go down to Properties. Once you're into the properties, this is the Landro video properties. Make sure you're on the shortcut tab, and then you'll just come down here to the target and just select everything within the target. Before we do that, real quick, on the setup menu, just make sure and clear this c./my/lockbox. Just delete that, and make sure by hitting the delete key, and make sure this field is blank. We'll just go back over here to the Landro video properties. We're just gonna left click and hold and select everything within the quotation marks. Please do not copy the quotation marks. You'll just right click and left click on copy. We're just going to cancel out of this. The Landro video properties, just cancel it. And then in the setup, we're going to right click, little bar here, and then click paste. You'll notice that there's no quotation marks on either side of this, It starts with whatever your drive letter is. Most of the times it's going to be C. And then it will always end with Landro videos. The stuff in between will look different. Please don't get concerned that yours does not have this exact same path. Just make sure it ends in Landro videos and doesn't have the quotation marks on it. Just click next at this point. Click next again and uncheck the open release notes here, and then click next and click finished. And now you have secured the Landro videos file folder. Just quickly showing you what that looks like. If we enter into Landro, run, you'll notice that there are no videos here at all. That's because our lockbox is secure, and no videos will pop up while it's secure. To unsecure my lockbox, you just double click on the icon here, enter in your password, click OK. It will pop up with your videos folder. Just close out of it, and then you'll see a little icon down here in your taskbar that looks like a save, and it says unlocked. We'll come back to that in just a minute, but you'll notice if I click on the Landro icon, my videos are now back because I've unlocked my lockbox. Okay, so I'm just going to close Landro again, and there's two ways that you can relock your lockbox. One is if you just restart your machine, it relocks it. The other is this little icon down here that looks like a safe in your taskbar. It's a blue safe. It's kind of hard to see, I know. Just right click on it, and you can left click on lock and quit, and that will lock the folder back. So when you go into Landro, it will not show the videos again. And if you double click on the Landro videos icon here, it will search for the shortcut and won't be able to find it until you unlock it again. But that teaches you how to secure and encrypt the Landro videos file folder with my lockbox. Thank you.